How to fix YouTube Premium not working? Try these simple solutions. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap Purchases and Memberships. I don't currently have a YouTube Premium subscription, but if you have one, you can check here to make sure your premium membership is still active. If your subscription is active, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that has YouTube Premium. Next, try clearing the YouTube app cache. Close YouTube and tap and hold the YouTube app. Select the App Info icon. Select Clear Data on the bottom of the screen. Tap Clear Cache. Then confirm by tapping OK. Now open YouTube again and check if Premium is working. If the problem continues, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update. You can also open YouTube in a web browser and check if Premium works there. That's it. These are some simple ways to fix YouTube Premium not working. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.